Today we'll be making whipped body exfoliating whipped body scrub with let me call it strawberry exfoliating whipped scrub. I'll be using foamy bath butter, and I'm going to whip this until it's nice and fluffy. So you have to measure yours. I'm just showing how I make mine and how I make my strawberry watermelon body scrub. And you want to whip until this is completely fluffy. So as this point, you see that this is clocking together in the in the whip head. You want to remove it with spatula and keep whipping. You keep whipping, and when it gets to this stage, you also scrape the bowl. Make sure there are no stick in the bowl so that you can be able to whip everything. When it becomes like this, you are sure that you are already ready to use, that the whip bath foam is ready to use. So this is 1000 gram. I am mixing 500 gram of this with sugar. So the sugar that I'm going to use will be white sugar, but before then I would be using coloring. So I will use a very light red color so that while I whip, it will get to a pink color. Since strawberry and watermelon is pink, I have decided to use pink color. But if you want to use pink color, do not buy pink color, buy the red color. The red color would help you achieve that pink color that you deserve. If you feel like the color that I use is too small or is too little for the pink, you add more color to yours. Now I'm going to add the sugar. This is cane sugar, the white sugar, granulated sugar. So I am going to keep whipping until it's nice and fluffy. When you still see that it's sticking together, bring it up, use your spatula to remove them, and then keep whipping. Guys, I sell handmade skincare on fifinaturals.co.uk. If you are looking for a nice skincare like body scrub for your body butter, I have brightening body scrub. This one is glow. It's just a normal body scrub, but I have skin brightening body scrub made with turmeric and aloe vera. Guys, go to my website at www.fifinatural.uk. You will get yours if you like my product. And now while you scrape this, after scraping it, it is good to go. I have added my fragrance oil to this. Yes, I added my fragrance oil to this, and I whipped everything together. I also added preservative, so you can't sell without adhering to the normal procedure of cosmetic guidelines. So if you're going to make this, please adhere to the cosmetic guidelines. It is very important. So I used to measure this because it's going to be 250 grams of body scrub, not more than that and not less than that. So if you are going to do this, you have to label your product. You have to make sure you adhere to the normal procedures of cosmetic guideline according to where you are living. These I will also put a very tiny label to it, but they are all labeled. Everything in my product is labeled, no matter how small the label may seem to be. You can get any label of your choice and just label it simply, and you are good to go. You must not break the bank to label your product. That's it. And you see how I do it? I make sure they get to 250 grams, and before I then cover it. I do not just scoop the product inside the jar. I make sure it's up to 250 ml. 250 grams, because this is solid, not ml, sorry. And that is it for today, guys. If you like my video, kindly subscribe to my channel. I'll see you there next time. Bye bye.